Okay, so in this video, I will be talking about operation on different data types. So basically, if you see the some operations on one data type may work differently on another. So let's say, for example, when we add two integers, we get another integer as output, right? So what I'm talking about when we add, let's say, two integers, so we basically get another integer, right? But have you thought that when I'm adding, okay, so ideally we can't add strings, like these are not numbers, right? So that's where we see this data types. That's where the Python so good, right? Where it will, instead of, it will understand that now I need not to add the numbers, however I have to join to strings. So it will basically it will return another string, and what it basically does, uh, it will post them together, like it will like join them together, right? So that's where this similarly, if the case when I say what will happen if I do for the booleans, right? So let's say I am adding true plus false. So here we might expect that since we are getting we are adding ints, we are getting int, we are adding string, we are getting string. So in this way we should get boolean as output, right? So that's where uh, that's where we should know that when we add this two we get integer. So why it is because when the true and false are converted to integers 1 and 0 for mathematical operations. So whenever we have the mathematical operations where this booleans are converted into ones and 0, and that's how it is we are getting integer which is 1 as an output. Now this behavior of data type is not just restricted to addition. So for example, if I say uh, print 8 into 4, and then I say print true into 7, so what is the output? Okay, so again we see that using multiply normally it's working, but you see true, when the mathematical operation is performed, it converted into 1 and 1 into 7, we got the 7 as a result. And similarly, if we multiply with strings, it will multiply the strings. So it understand, like, you know what I'm trying to tell here is that though we are applying this operation on different data types, it Python understands that what it need to do on that, right? And in case of boolean, it will first convert into 1 and 0 and then use it. I hope you're liking the course, and you are learning something. If you have any feedback for me, feel free to post it in comment, and see you in the next video.